Hey signers, welcome to Learn How to Sign. Today you're going to learn how to sign some of the 150 essential signs in ASL. In this video, we are specifically going to focus on school and color signs. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video for some bonus content where you will learn how to put some of these signs into common sentences. As always, be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified. Let's learn how to sign some of the 150 essential signs in ASL. Before we get started, here are a few tips. Sign with me. It will be so much easier to remember if you sign along with me. If you aren't clear on a sign, go back and watch it again. Speaking of watching it again, repetition is key to learning anything, especially with a new language. So, watch these videos often to fully retain all of the information. If you want to know the sign for something specific, our website is a great resource. You can go to learnhowtosign.org. So let's learn how to sign school signs. ASL, or American Sign Language. ASL. Sign. Sign. Your hands are moving in towards yourself, referencing like you're signing. Sign. Book. Book. It's just like you're opening up the book. Book. Paper. Paper. Your dominant hand is pushing in towards your arm. Paper. Draw. Draw. Your pinky finger is like a pencil drawing on a piece of paper. Draw. Write. Write. You're using your dominant hand to write on your non-dominant. Write. Sentence. Sentence. You're doing F hands and stringing them out just like a sentence. Sentence. No. No. You're tapping your forehead like you know that something's in there. But people who know sign language sometimes do the sign no down here. No. Learn. Learn. You're picking up something and putting it in your head. Learn. Study. Study. Imagine this is the paper that you're studying and you want all eyes on it. Study. Student. Student. It's a person who's learning. Student. Teacher. Teacher. Teachers give information, and this is a person. Teacher. Class. Class. It's the letter C hands in the shape of a group. Class. Play. Play. Think of children running around and playing. Play. Bus. Bus. You're doing the letters B, U, and S just at a faster speed. Bus. In later videos, we will teach you even more about school signs, but this is a great start. Now, let's learn how to sign some colors. Black. Black. Your index finger is wiping across your forehead. Black. Blue. Blue. It's the letter B shaking back and forth. Blue. Brown. Brown. It's the letter B on the side of your face. Brown. Green. Green. It's the letter G flicking back and forth. Green. Gray. Gray. Your fingers move back and forth through each other. Gray. Orange. Orange. Now this sign can be used for the color or the fruit. Orange. Pink. Pink. It's the letter P up on your lips for pink lipstick. Pink. Purple. Purple. It's the letter P flicking back and forth. Purple. Red. Red. Your index finger is coming up to your lips like for red lipstick. Red. White. White. It's like you're pulling out on your white shirt. White. Yellow. Yellow. It's the Y hand flicking back and forth. yellow. When signing about a specific color, you sign the base color first and then fingerspell the specific color. For instance, purple, violet. We have a full video on colors. Click right here to check it out. Now, let's put these signs into sentences. I'm learning ASL. I learn ASL. I. Point back to yourself, show that you're finished talking. Can you give me the red book, please? Book red. Give me, please. You're doing what the item is and then describing about it. And then you're moving the give me to yourself. My favorite color is teal. My favorite color, green, teal. My. Remember, you're doing the color and then the specific name of the color. Great job! You just finished 4 out of 6 videos. You're over halfway there, and you are doing great. If you're having trouble with some signs, go back and start this video over. Keep on practicing. Practice with your friends and family. Meet up with deaf people in your community. You should be so proud of yourself. You are learning a new language, and you have learned 25 new signs that you didn't know before. We are making videos like this every week, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, keep learning how to sign.